Have you ever wondered how to be productive with e-commerce software? Do you often wonder which program is efficient in paid subscriptions? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of e-commerce shopping carts? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about how to be productive with e-commerce software. Now let's get into it. Money will always come first when putting up commercial websites, so you need dependable e-commerce subscription software to root your business into. There are simply endless options, but think of what you need, and a little knowledge and know-how about how the internet works would be of great help in the process. Constantly, the market is evolving, sculpting better quality of services, feasibility, usefulness, and other things that matter. Getting the most out of software is easy when you have the right know-how on how the system works. A crash course on HTML and basic website management would be fine to understand the essence of web management software. Getting a paid subscription site is one of the ways you can get revenue in an online business. There are considerably many things to consider upon being a member-only service and such. Taking into account a paid subscription. A subscription website is differentiated in two ways: subscription membership and a membership website. Subscription membership is where you to go a site and input your pass area, usually with a payment. This allows exclusive content only for paid membership. Typically, this type of membership offers video downloads, audio, and all other software that comes along with it. A membership website is where you need to register but there is no money involved. This is common in most of the popular sites that offer free content. However, on this kind of membership, you can offer a lot of things such as paid subscriptions to, offers, and a lot of things that can support a given business niche. This is traditionally successful. With all the regular non-paying members, there are likely some people that will opt for a paid subscription, making the part only an option, thus making more revenue. This is a typical strategy being used by an e-commerce subscription software. Alternatively, subscription membership can also pass along offers, but this is a little awkward considering they are already paying for the services. This will definitely end up to you, but a membership website is a way to go. Offers. Having to obtain more revenue is one of your priorities. Paid subscriptions don't happen spontaneously, they need serious attention to do so. You can configure your e-commerce subscription software to analyze and take action on what you need to do whilst running your site. Enticing customer is a good thing. There are successful websites that offer a free preview or a test drive of products to convince an apparently paid member. Letting them watch a portion of videos you are selling, letting them download some of the content for free, and also giving them a huge boost on freebies and many more limitless things to offer just to attract them. However, you also need to consider the amount of content you are giving away for free. This is critical when customers may want to see more first rather than go for paid content. You can always assess them by monitoring your website traffic and patching things up to make sure there will be probably paying customers. Taking advantage of offers with good customer support. If a website is offering any service, it should also consider good customer support to make sure things are going as planned. In an e-commerce business, subscription software will take care of the things your customer needs. Having to configure them correctly to cater to specific needs are also crucial for sending emails, special offers, and such. What is an e-commerce shopping cart? Do you want to sell your products online? Are you not really sure where to start? It is more than likely that you'll need to get yourself some shopping cart software or develop your own. This software is the backbone of any online store. It allows you to display your products online and let potential customers make purchases from you. Most shopping cart solutions comprise 4 parts: the actually shopping cart, a product catalog, the checkout process, and an administration panel of some form. The product catalog is, as you would expect, the part of the store that displays your products. This can range from a single hand-coded HTML page displaying a few products up to a massive multi-category store containing thousands of products. A store with a large number of products normally uses a dynamic solution driven by a database. This allows information about the products to be changed with simple database updates rather than making changes to every page. These are commonly written in web scripting languages such as PHP or active server pages. Without the shopping cart component of your store, your customers will not be able to make a purchase and hand over the cash. This part of the solution allows your customer to add products to a virtual basket, then check out and pay at a later point. Conceptually, the software works in exactly the same way as a shopping basket in a supermarket. The customer browses through the products on the shelves, placing the products they want into their basket. When they are ready to finalize the purchase, they take the basket to the checkout. Once the customer has decided that they want to purchase the products in their shopping cart, then they must make a payment and hand over shipping details. This is where the checkout process comes in. This process allows you to integrate with your chosen billing gateway or provider and collect the payment detail from the customer. Most e-commerce solutions provide you with a number of options when it comes to billing integration, allowing you to choose a billing solution that fits your business model. The final part of the software is the administration panel. The panel allows store owners and selected staff to manage the running of the store and perform administrative actions when required. It can perform a multitude of actions, but a number of common activities are: set up the store, payment solutions, shopping costs, etc. Add/update products. Process orders. View store statistics and reports. Manage customers. Most online store solutions available today incorporate all of the above features: product catalog, shopping cart, admin panel, and checkout process, into one easily installable and manageable package. More advanced solutions include facilities to integrate with numerous payment gateways, manage your customers, customer self-management options, and much more. It is important to make sure any shopping cart software that you choose has the component parts that you require, so always check out a demo of the software because purchasing or deciding to use it. You need eBay auction software to make money through eBay. There is not much that is needed for starting an eBay online auction business. Besides the right eBay auction software, you also need to have a computer, internet access, and of course, an eBay account. You also need to have a PayPal account, as many buyers prefer making payments on credit cards. And if you have PayPal with you, you are sure to find an increased demand for the products on your eBay auction site. eBay has revolutionized the concept of online auctions. And to help you hold auctions much more easily and conveniently, eBay programmers have come up with various eBay software. You find eBay auction software like Accounting Auction eBay software, eBay Checkout, eBay Listing Software, eBay API, and eBay Retail Solution Software. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about how to be productive with e-commerce software. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.